Purdue University is known for its difficult engineering and computer science courses, but have you ever considered what other classes are out there? Hi Boilermakers, I'm Mallory, and today I'm going to be showing you cool classes at Purdue. We're going to be starting off with Com 495, also known as Lifestyle TV Production. Have you ever wanted to be on the scenes of a live television set? Well, now you have the opportunity to. Com 495 gives you hands-on experience with producing, putting together, and even being in an actual TV production. In this class, you'll produce your very own lifestyle TV show. You'll put together segments, figure out who to feature, and work on set, behind the scenes, and in front of the camera. When I visited, students were interviewing a local author and getting the news about her new book. This class gives you the opportunity to not only get hands-on experience on a television set, but also to explore your creativity and see what kind of hidden gems you can find in West Lafayette. Com 495 is available in both the fall and spring semesters. Next up, we have bowling, or PES 115. Not only will you learn how to get your bowling form to be perfect, but you'll also get to break down the basics of scoring and how to score without a computer keeping track for you. There are 12 sections of bowling, and it is available in both the fall and the spring. The class is taught by Doug, who has been teaching the class since 1993. Last up, we have HORT 360, which is flower arrangement and indoor plant management. This class gives you the ability to build the bouquet of your dreams, learn color theory, and more. Unfortunately, this class is only available in the spring, so make sure to get it on your schedule ASAP. I was lucky to witness some beautiful arrangements being made when I visited, and you can leave every class smelling like flowers. Those are some cool classes at Purdue. Hopefully this has broadened your perspective of what's available and inspired you to add some to your schedule. What classes should I check out next? Comment below and maybe I'll pay a visit to one of your lectures someday. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.